Here they come down the front stretch. Three-way battle for the overall here, Ken.
Yeah, these are the three players, no question, and completely inverted, by the way.
Ooh! And Ty checked up right there. I don't know if you saw that, but he had the opportunity to put a wheel in and send Ryan flying, and he did not.
Well, I saw the same thing out of Maifield. In fact, I saw him really hit the brakes and unload the rear end of the car to stay out of Rivkin at one moment. So everybody really driving respectfully here as they all dive into the pits at the same time.
I don't know how that was planned, but all of them coming in and out there.
Did anybody get out in front of the other? That's what
Mayfield flamed out. Ryan Maifield has flamed out. Mayfield headed back into pit lane now.
Oh, he will be absolutely livid.
Trouble there for Ryan Maifield as they try and get that car back going. He is back on the racetrack now. So that is going to knock Ryan Maifield out of this one and any chance of an overall.
Well, we'll see. I mean, a lot of racing yet to go. Anything could happen to those top two guys. Let's get more from Scotty.
Thanks, guys. As they came into the pit, it was so tight. 65, 63, 62. Advantage Tessman over Maifield and Rivkin now. With Maifield having problems, that's going to mix it all up. That should continue to keep Ty Tessman out front.
All right, we're here with Ryan Maifield. And Ryan, number 3, it was going well, then just had some tough luck there during the pit stop.
Yeah, not too sure exactly what happened. I don't really want to blame my pit guy, but it seemed like when you get raw fuel in the pipe after it's so hot, the car will shut off. And when I went back out, I didn't have any brakes. So, like, if you spill fuel in the car, it gets on the brakes, gets on the pipe. So it's an easy mistake to do. It is what it is. I'm not sure if that's exactly what happened or not, but that's kind of what it seemed like. But, yeah, the car was really good. I got a decent start and just kind of trying to pick my way through traffic. And, yeah, kind of a bummer. I mean, I don't really understand how I still got third overall, but I'll take it. I mean, I figured I kind of went back out there after I flamed out and had a couple crybaby laps and just not trying. And then at the end, I'm like, just go get as much as you can get. So I actually ended up passing a couple guys, and I guess that's how I got third overall. So, but yeah, thanks to Live RC, thanks to Visions, thanks for everything. This is an awesome event. It's been pretty tough luck for me the 2 years I've been here, just weird things happening. But at least, hey, I got something to show for it this year. Got on the podium, and yeah, we'll reset. We got a bunch more races this year. And thanks for everybody watching at home. Thanks to everybody who supports me, my wife, my kids, and awesome event.
All right, best of luck the rest of the year, and thanks for coming. Tough luck, but still, way to salvage a third.
Yep, thanks, guys.
All right. Ryan Maifield, great racer, one of the best in the world. Had some tough luck, able to salvage a third spot. You can hear the disappointment in his voice, but still, these guys at their level of competition and commitment and skill, they want to stand on the top of the box. There's no doubt about it. So third for you and I, average guys, we're stoked. Him a little disappointed, but still going to take home some cash and a good finish here at Visions. Back to you, Ken and Mike.